Hi, Jessica. Thanks for your thanks. It's certainly my pleasure. All right, so I'm looking at both of these, and I think I like your tagline. I don't think you need to add computer graphic designer. Number one, since you come from an education where your hand is in many different pots, you want to keep it pretty open as to what you'll do for people. One thing that I've found again and again in the industry is that if you can use like the Adobe software, your skills can go in many different directions. So if you do make business cards, you probably just want to do that once every 4 or 5 years. So you want to keep things kind of generic, unless you're specifically like a medical illustrator or something that refined. So Jessica Hunt Design says that you're a designer, so you don't need to say computer graphic designer. What you could do though is take this, move it down, and then underneath it put Jessica Hunt, CEO, and this will be your specific business card. My other comment was, let's see, was it this one? Yeah. Consider having your business card cut to this. I mean, it's a cool shape. The flip side of it could be the green. It'd be really tight. It'd be an interesting way to hand your business card, just slightly different than other people. There's a website. I've never used it, but my friend Marilee did. This Moo. Maybe you saw it in your research. They advertise lots of odd sizes, so you can see right here, which means that it's probably not that expensive for them to do, right? So this might be worth researching. Ooh, pretty. Um, and that's sort of the wave of the future, and it shows a lot of creativity, even just the cut of the card alone. Anyway, I hope that helps. I just encourage you, my main suggestion really is to just uh, keep your options open, because as you start to become a professional designer, you're going to see that the term graphic design is very loosely based, and there's many different areas that you'll be able to work in. I hope that helps. Bye-bye.